Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly unique, a modern reinterpretation of one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, the 2025 Citroën 2CV. Yes, Citroën has revived the 2 CV, a car that originally debuted in 1948 as the People's Car of France. But this isn't just nostalgia on wheels. This is a smart, all-electric city car with real charm and character. So, let's take a full look, front to back, inside and out, to see what makes this retro reboot such a compelling option for today's drivers. Starting with the front, the new 2CV immediately grabs your attention, not with flash or aggression, but with charm. The designers stayed true to the spirit of the original. Rounded fenders, check. Corrugated bonnet styling, absolutely. But now it's cleaner, smoother, and infused with modern touches like round LED headlamps with a soft halo effect. The grille is understated, just a matte-finished chevron badge framed by slim, horizontal slots. There's no fake aggression here, just friendly, classic lines that have been softened and modernized. From the side, the silhouette is instantly recognizable. That trademark humpback roofline, those narrow doors, and the lightweight look are all present. But now, subtle aerodynamic sculpting helps with efficiency, and the wheel arches are more refined, housing 16-inch alloy wheels with a retro steel disc design. The canvas roof is back, but now fully motorized, retracting smoothly with the push of a button. Perfect for open-air countryside drives or summer city cruising. Moving around the back, the styling stays minimal. A flat tailgate with flush handles, vertical LED tail lamps, and no unnecessary detailing. The roof's rear support bar adds visual balance, and because the car is electric, there's no exhaust pipe to worry about. It feels honest, true to its roots, yet completely ready for 2025. Now let's step inside. This is where the most dramatic evolution has taken place. While the original was bare bones, the new 2CV blends minimalism with modern function. The dashboard is simple and horizontal, with a small digital instrument display ahead of the driver and a center-mounted infotainment pod that detaches as a tablet. You can use Citroen's system or your own device via magnetic mount and wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The air vents are discreet, the controls intuitive, and everything feels thoughtfully arranged. The single-spoke steering wheel returns, this time updated with touch-sensitive controls and soft haptic feedback. It's a lovely callback to the past that actually works really well in the present. The materials are another highlight. Recycled plastics, natural hemp fabric, and pressed organic fiber panels give the cabin a warm, eco-friendly feel. It's quirky, but also incredibly pleasant to sit in. The seats are lightweight and comfortable, with breathable fabric and clever cushioning. Front occupants get good headroom and visibility, and in the back there's enough space for 2 adults. It's not a large cabin, but it makes the most of every inch. You'll find smart storage under the seats, a foldable rear bench, and even small hidden bins in the doors. Underneath the body, the 2025 2CV is powered by a 55-kilowatt lithium-ion battery paired with a 100 HP electric motor. That gives you a 0-60 time of about 9 seconds. Not fast, but definitely zippy for urban driving. What really impresses is the range, around 240 miles on a full charge in mixed driving conditions. It's quiet, smooth, and thanks to Citroen's advanced suspension setup, rides more comfortably than you'd expect. They've even tuned the damping to mimic the floaty feel of the original's high-drop pneumatic system, minus the complexity. There are 3 trim levels: Essential, Nostalgic, and Avant. The base model starts around $25,000, which undercuts most EV competitors by a good margin. The top trim reaches about $30,000 and includes heated seats, upgraded audio, and adaptive cruise control. Fast charging comes standard, with an 80% charge achievable in under 40 minutes. All models come with the same motor and battery, so you're really choosing comfort and features rather than performance. So, who's this car for? It's not a car for thrill seekers or tech enthusiasts craving cutting-edge AI features. It's for people who appreciate simplicity, design, and thoughtful engineering. People who want an EV that doesn't look like a spaceship, but something with soul. It's charming, approachable, and full of personality. It may not be the most advanced EV out there, but it's one of the most lovable. A few suggestions? A solar panel roof option would be a great touch for sustainability, and a slightly more powerful motor wouldn't hurt for rural drivers. But overall, Citroën nailed the essence of what made the 2CV iconic. Practicality, economy, and friendliness. All reborn for a new generation. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you drive the new 2CV? Is this the kind of EV the world needs more of? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and keep driving happy.